Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got something pretty cool I want to show today. These are some 2-ounce rounds that I finally finished up. Picked up the last one last week. They're pretty hard to find. I don't know for sure what year they were made or what years they were made, but I know they've not been available for quite a while. And I've been patiently waiting, and I finally got the whole set. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, these rounds are made from Elemental Metals, which is no longer in business, I do not believe. This is the first one that I got, called Liberty Island. This is really cool. This is the same one from, I don't know, a year and a half now that I bought for Silver Stealer and Winning Image Photography as a Christmas present. There's a video out there somewhere, but Mrs. TB and myself went and met those guys and got them one of these and gave it to them, which is pretty cool. So they've got their in their collection now. Silver Stealer collects 2-ounce coins, and these are 2 ounces. Look at how chunky those things are. And so this is a great gift for them. And I had found one at a coin show, and I thought it'd make a perfect gift for them. So you can see this is part of the American Landmark series. 2 ounces, fine silver. They all have the same back, same reverse. The high relief North America. Is that pretty cool or what? But yeah, this is what got me going. I bought this at a coin show and did some research when I got home and found out there was 4 of them. But again, if you log on to eBay and stuff, you're going to pay big bucks for these things, about $100 a piece. And they are 2 ounces, but you know, $100 a piece is a little bit too much for me to spend on a 2-ounce round. But look at that high relief, huh? So that was the first one I got. I thought that was really cool. Next one I picked up a while later was the Grand Canyon. So this is another high relief, beautiful 2-ounce chunky. Again, part of the American Landmark series. 2 ounces, fine silver. So yeah, got a lot of detail on that. Pretty nice. Nice polished mirror edges there. Very nice. Next one I got off on after that was Pearl Harbor. We were at this place a few years ago. Mrs. TB and I went to Hawaii for one of our anniversaries. Got a tour through this. This is well, if you've never been there, you need to go. You can't really talk about it. You need to experience it. It's a pretty awesome sight. And when you know what happened, you know, that day and lives that were lost, it's a pretty incredible setup. And so another American Landmark series, 2 ounces. Let's see, do we flip? Yep, we flip. Side to side. We don't do this. We do this. And again, that beautiful 2 ounce capsule is not real tight on it, but it's still a capsule. In fact, the last one that I purchased, I just got this in the mail the other day. I finally found it. I got this for such a good price. Mount Rushmore. And again, I just patiently waited. I did not want to overpay. And I got this for a really good deal. Again, if you look on eBay, they're pretty expensive. I paid $56 for this. And I think that was quite a steal, actually, because I don't think I got any of the other ones of these for $56. I can tell you that. But again, chunky. Now the person did admit that it had a little ding on it, which is right down there. And it actually just, I don't know if it's really a ding. I guess it is a tiny little ding, but that's okay. I'm willing to accept that to finish off my collection because, again, these are pretty expensive to pick up. And I've just been waiting, trying to get the 4th one, and here it is. Finally able to finish up the collection of the American Landmark series. So yeah, what do you think? Mirror finish back here. Fortunately, it did not come in a capsule. Fortunately, in my box of, capsules and tubes, I had one. So that's good. Was able to put it in there. So I thought you might enjoy seeing the American Landmark series. If you've never heard of them, might be something you could add to your collection. I know Silver Steeler would, like to, I'm sure, finish this off because I know he at least has that one for sure. And would be a nice addition to his 2-ounce round collection for sure. So what do you think, huh? Pretty cool? I sure think they are. And I'm glad to have them as part of my stack. It's a nice 8 ounces and represents very well. I mean, I just absolutely love the Statue of Liberty flag in the background. Is that cool or what? That is really, really cool. Alright, well that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.